Hi everyone. In today's session, we are going to start a new module which is Arithmetic Progression or AP series. Now, as the name suggests, progression means anything which is going ahead, going in a forward direction. So, if you have a set of numbers and they are arranged in a particular order and that order is constant throughout, means starting from the first element ending till the last element. If you will try to trace root or try to figure out what the sequence of the numbers suggest, you will find out that they are constant. So if you have a set of numbers like A1, A2, A3, A4 dotted up to AN. So if you are provided with any series and you have elements placed like this, so how will you test whether the numbers are arranged in an AP or arithmetic progression? You will take the second element, subtract it from the first element. Means you have A2, you will subtract A1 from this. That result should be equal to A3 minus A2. Means first subtraction will be between first and second element. Second subtraction will be from third element to second element. And when you will get the difference, suppose the difference is D here, that same difference you will find in this case also. Moving ahead, if you consider A4 and A3, then again A4 minus A3 will give you the same difference. That means this value of small d will be constant at every hop. So if this condition is satisfied, that means the provided series or the provided sequence of numbers are in arithmetic progression. So the things which you have to check is, see the sequence of the number, check whether they are in the same order or you have a uniformity in the difference obtained. In the difference obtained. And how will you find the difference? Second number, first you will take second number, subtract the first number from it. Third number, subtract second number from it, and so on. Means series will be in this direction, difference will be calculated in this direction. Okay, so this is how you will test whether the given series is arithmetic progression or no. Now in this you will find few terms, like you will have nth term, you will have common difference, you will have the first term. Okay, or you might be provided with the last term of the series. So what are they? Suppose I have a series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dotted up to 10. I'm considering the first 10 natural numbers. Now, in this, first thing you have to check whether the given series or the sequence of numbers is in AP or no. So what you will do is come to the second position. The value is 2. Now 2 minus 1. What is the difference? 1. Okay. Now third place pe you have the value 3. So 3 minus 2 again 1. 4 minus 3 1. 5 minus 4, 1. That means this 1, that is the value of the common difference, is constant. It is constant. That means the given series is in AP. That is justified. This is done. Now, what is the common difference here? Common difference is denoted by small d. Here it is 1, which you have calculated. Now, whenever you are testing any series, like you are done with the first two elements and you got some difference, like in this case, you have got the value of a small d as 1. So it's not that your purpose is done. You will at least check them for 3 sets. Means this is set number 1. Then you will take these two values. Again you will check for the value of small d. Then you will take these two. Then again you will check. If you are getting 3-4 consecutive differences same, then only your testing part is over. If you are getting, like in the first case you are getting 1, in the second case you are getting some different value, that means your series is not an AP one. So to check it, at least obtain the common difference for 4 set of values, so that you are sure that the given series is an AP series. Now, what is the first term here? Your first term is 1. So, first term is denoted by A, and in our case, it was 1. Last term is denoted by small l, and here in our series, it was 10. So, it is 10. Nth term means, now this series contained 10 elements. So, nth term means any positioned value. If I say nth term, example as fifth term. So fifth, this n can be any value. It can be 5, 6, 4, 3, anything. So this nth term is the term position. Now in AP, the standard formula to obtain any nth term, that is an, is equal to a plus n minus 1 into common difference of small d. So now you are acquainted, you are very much aware of all the terms involved in this equation. An is the, n is the position, whichever position element they are asking you, this is your an. This an is representing the position of the value at nth place. It can be A10, it can be A11, A12, anything. So whichever position element they are asking you, the value they are asking you, that you will write it like this. This A, this is your first element in the series. N is this thing, whichever position element they are asking. And small d is the common difference, which you will find by subtracting the you will subtract the first element from the second element. You will subtract the second element from the third element, and so on. This is your first formula, which you will be using a number of times in this series. Now, there is one more. They can ask you to find the summation or find the sum of the series. Suppose they have given you a set of numbers placed in AP, and they will ask you to find the addition of all the terms. So what you will do? Suppose you have an n number of elements in a series. So the summation Sn is equal to n by 2 in brackets 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is your equation number 2. Suppose you have a series 1, 2, 3, 4 dotted up to 15. Okay, you have a series which is, it is judged, it is tested that it is from your AP only. So now they are asking you to find the addition of all the terms placed in this series. So what will be Sn? It will be S15. And what will be n here? It will be 15 by 2. 2a will be 2 into 1 plus 15 minus 1. D is, I think it will be 1 only. And similarly, you will place all the values and you will get the value of the S15. Means summation of all the 15 numbers. Okay. So these two equations you need to remember while solving the series. Now there is one more, that is the arithmetic mean. What is arithmetic mean? Mean means average. So arithmetic mean means, suppose you have three numbers A, B and C. So what is your arithmetic mean says that twice of the middle value is equal to the summation of the first and the third. Means twice of this middle value is equal to the addition of the first and the third term. Or you can say B is equals to A plus C by 2. Just like the way you get the average. So your arithmetic mean is 2b is equals to a plus c. This is your equation number 3. So these three will be utilized in your arithmetic progression. Now let's do one example and see how we can utilize this concept. Let's check a given set of series of elements, whether they are in the AP or no. So I have elements like 3, 8, 13, 23, 28 dotted up to n. Now you have to test whether the given series is an AP or no. AP or no. This is the question. What you will do? Go to the second position. The second position element is 8. Now 8 minus 3 is 5. Now just checking the first set will not give you a perfect assessment that the given series is AP. You have to move on. Now second thing what you will do is 13 minus 8. Means first you have grouped these two, then you have to group these two. So 13 minus 8 is again 5. One more check. So 23 minus 13. How much is it? 23 minus 13. This will give you 10. Does this series belongs to an AP? No, because first two cases you are getting the common difference as 5. But in the third set you are getting a different value that is equal to 10. That means this series is not from the arithmetic progression. So in the next session, what we'll do is we'll start with some numericals and see how we can get the nth term from any series. The number of things which can be asked in this chapter is they can ask you to find the nth term from any given series. They can ask you to find the last term, or they can ask you, they have a list of numbers in a series. They will ask you calculate the number of terms in this series. They might ask you in this way also, or they might ask you for the summation of the series. All these things we'll see in the next coming sessions. So stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe my channel so that all the students who are going to appear in 2023 board exams with the reduced syllabus can get some benefit from me And if anybody has any query or any question where they are stuck, please share it in the comments section and I will try to help you out in that. So stay tuned and thank you for listening me.